Follow along to create another sweet treat. To make these cookies, you need a chocolate chip cookie mix, red M&Ms, candy hearts, and any ingredients listed on the packet. Go ahead and preheat your oven as directed. Now it's time to make the cookies. Add the candy hearts and stir. Carefully fold in the M&Ms. Make small dough balls and place them on a baking sheet lined with foil and sprayed with non-stick cooking spray and bake per the directions. Leave the cookies on a baking sheet to cool. Serve with lunch as a sweet treat or an after-dinner snack. Thanks for watching and make sure to like and subscribe.